time of few months, you're gonna see Tesla's electric cars running on Indian roads. So is everyone going to consider buying an electric car? Are electric cars actually environmentally friendly? Well, answers to all of those questions and more coming up in this video. Let's begin. With Tesla marking its entry in Indian market, it starts a transition from petroleum vehicles as well as diesel vehicles to EVs or electric vehicles in India. These electric cars or these electric vehicles run on electricity. As our electricity is made from carbon, which is a fossil fuel, we cannot say that these cars are completely environmental friendly, but they do remove a carbon footprint by preventing the use of petroleum. So we can not also say that they are not at all environmental friendly. Now, these electric vehicles store this electrical energy in their lithium batteries. And who is the leading manufacturer of these lithium batteries? That's China. Okay, jokes aside, but a nanotech company in Bengaluru found an aluminium battery which is 30% cheaper and can give 1,000 kilometers of range. So the Indian government should encourage companies like Tata, who are the leading manufacturer of EVs in India, to use these type of battery rather than the lithium ones. But while being an environmental friendly car, this is also a pocket friendly car, as you're gonna save a lot of money from not using petrol. This guy named Akash from Jaipur traveled 1500 kilometers in his Tata Nexon EV only for 700 rupees. And imagine the cost if that was a petroleum car. I guess around 10,000 or something like that. And as India is the largest importer of crude oil, we've imported a lot of crude oil in the past year, and with electric vehicles more common, we're gonna save a lot of money by not importing a lot of crude oil, because it won't be needed when the electric vehicles are much more common. Okay, so let's talk about the prices of EVs in India, because that can be a game changer in this transition from petroleum cars to electric vehicles. So, a Tesla Model S, which costs around $32,000 in US, is around 28 lakh rupees. But estimates reveal that it will cost over 60 lakh rupees when it will be launched in India, because it is a CBU, completely built up. Now, as it is a completely built up car, it will be shipped from another country to India, and that will imply 100% import duty tax on the car, making the price double. So, if India wants to avoid that situation, we need Indian government need to encourage companies like Tesla to build their factories inside of India itself, because that will do two things. It will decrease the prices, one, because the import duty taxes will not be implied, and secondly, it will create a lot more jobs for the Indian people. Now, we cannot be completely dependent on Tesla to do this, so that's why the next Tesla should be from India itself, and Tata is very close to it, because the Tata Nexon EV is the most popular EV in India, and though it is not as modern or futuristic or as cool as the Tesla's car are, they are affordable for the Indian market, and that's why we need to encourage more companies to start building their own electric vehicles to complete our goal of making all vehicles electric by 2030. That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button if you did like the video. Share this with your friends so that they know about electric vehicles. And subscribe to the channel with the bell notifications on so that you never miss an update from this channel. See you guys in the next one.